If you struggle with extremely dry, itchy skin, Okeeffes Skin Repair Body Lotion offers a simple, effective solution. This concentrated formula is designed to heal, relieve, and repair your skin quickly, making it a reliable choice for daily care. What sets Okeeffes apart is how fast it absorbs. You won't be left with a greasy residue, just smooth, hydrated skin. Plus, it locks in moisture and protects against dryness for up to 48 hours, so you stay comfortable longer without constant reapplication. This lotion isn't just about immediate relief. It helps prevent flare-ups that often come with dry, itchy skin, reducing discomfort over time. Whether you're dealing with eczema or sensitive skin affected by diabetes, Okeeffes Skin Repair is safe and gentle enough to use daily. Applying it is straightforward. Just a small amount on dry areas is all you need. Many users find it especially helpful during harsh winter months when skin tends to crack and become irritated. It's proven to last even through showering, so your skin stays nourished throughout the day. Top reviews from the U.S. highlight how Okeeffes transforms dry skincare routines. One user shared that applying it nightly on arms, legs, and feet eliminated winter dryness and helped prevent cracked feet syndrome. That kind of consistent hydration makes a noticeable difference. If you want a lotion that works hard without demanding a lot of effort, Okeeffes Skin Repair fits the bill. It's a practical choice for anyone tired of dealing with dry, itchy skin that just won't quit. Worth a look if you need reliable, long-lasting moisture and skin protection. Try Okeeffes Skin Repair when you're ready to give your skin the care it deserves. With proven results and a formula safe for sensitive conditions, it's an easy addition to your daily routine that keeps your skin healthy and comfortable.